have learned today. The process of breaking down complex food components into simpler forms is called digestion. Pancreatic juices act on carbohydrates and proteins. The grass-eating animals like cows, buffaloes and deer are called ruminants. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet or pseudopodia. Different parts of alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Students, now I will ask you a few questions. Different organisms have different modes of intake of food. Is it true or false? So, the right answer is true. This is a true statement. My next question is, acid in stomach kills dash. So, the right answer is bacteria. Which digestive juice convert proteins into amino acids? The answer to this question is pancreatic juice. What do we call the finger-like projections present on the inside wall of small intestine? So the answer is villi. Now let us understand next processes. Saliva not only softens the food but also convert starch into sugar. Let us perform an activity here. Take two test tubes. Label them A and B. In test tube A, put 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice. And in test tube B, keep 1 teaspoonful of boiled rice after chewing it for 3 to 5 minutes. Add 3 to 4 ml of water in both test tubes. Now pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution in each test tube and observe. What do you observe? The test tube A, the color of iodine changes to blue-black, but there is no change in test tube B. Iodine solution is used for testing the presence of starch. When iodine solution is added to starch, the color of iodine changes to blue-black. This happened in test tube A. So it means starch is present in boiled rice. But there was no color change in test tube B, which shows that starch was not present in test tube B. So we find that saliva converts starch into sugar. So students, now my next question is, which part of the digestive canal is involved in? First, absorption of digested food. Second, chewing of food. Third, killing of bacteria. Fourth, complete digestion of food. Fifth, formation of feces. The answer is absorption of digested food, small intestine. Chewing of food, buccal cavity. Killing of bacteria, stomach. Complete digestion of food, small intestine. Formation of feces, large intestine. Students, next question is, in which part of the alimentary canal fat is completely digested? And the answer is small intestine. Next question is, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. Yes, so large intestine is the right answer. Now look at this picture of the human digestive system and label the parts numbered as 1, 2 and 3. So the part labeled 1 is stomach. Part labeled as 2 is small intestine, and after that large intestine. Students, with this, we complete our chapter Nutrition in Animals, and I hope that you must have listened to it carefully and understood it well. So students, revise the chapter thoroughly, and I hope that you stay healthy, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.